Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. We kick off today's video with this long to short makeover. Ooh. I love the natural texture of her hair within this bob. Such a cute hairstyle, perfect for the spring and summer season. Next up, we have another long to short makeover. Looks like she's also getting a bob or mid-length cuts. Very nice. She does have the bangs going there in the front to frame out the face. And look how much volume her hair has. Gorgeous. Moving on to transformation number 3. Looks like she is getting a shag with this one. Baby bangs in the front. And of course, this hairstyle does feature quite a bit of layers throughout to create that shaggy texture. Wow, he is doing an amazing job at framing out her face with the way that the hair is layered and the bangs. And she even has a little bit of color mixed in here. This is very cute. Beautiful rocker chic vibes. And look at the way that color came out. Just spices up the look even further. Moving on to the next hair transformation, we have someone else who has beautiful wavy hair. Looks like she's going to also be getting a bob for this makeover. So curly bobs are on the rise. They're a great way to rock out your natural hair and just show off your natural curls. You can do a lot of wash and goes with those as styles as well. So it's really low maintenance. Next up, we have someone who has long waist length, probably tailbone length hair. Her hair is very long. And it looks like she is going to get a bob. That's a lot of hair. So she is going even shorter. Nice amount of volume here within this cut. Ooh. So he layered the bangs, a little bit of the front portion of the hair, and did a nice blowout to get that volume. There is the before and there is the after. She has a nice classic center part with this style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these hairstyles that were featured within today's video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.